Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your console supports the store, Series X, Series S, or a recent one update is required. Sign into your Microsoft account on the Xbox. This links purchases and permissions. Once signed in, go to Settings and install any pending system updates so the store components can appear. These steps ensure the console registers with Microsoft services. Without them, you'll hit errors. Now move directly to the store discovery process to enable the app. You now look for the store app. Press the guide, open My Games and Apps, and choose See All to reveal hidden apps. If the store doesn't appear, verify your console's region and language match your Microsoft account region. Mismatches can hide the app. Next, use the search feature and type Microsoft Store. This forces the system to present the app if available. If found, select Install or Pin to Home. These steps expose the store and resolve regional visibility issues. Finish by installing the store and then restart your Xbox to let services register. This finalizes certificates and storefront links. If the app still won't appear, do a network power cycle, disconnect power for 10 seconds, and confirm parental or content filters on the Microsoft account aren't blocking store access. As a last resort, reset local console settings, does not delete games, to restore default app visibility. If you hit errors, sign out and back in.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.